If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Mullingar Pewter Pocket Watches. Number 1, Most Popular, by Mullingar Pewter. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Mullingar Pewter. Number 3. For more details about this great Mullingar Pewter pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4. By the Irish store Irish Gifts from Ireland. Number 5, by Mullingar Pewter. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7, by Mullingar Pewter. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by the Irish store Irish Gifts from Ireland. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Mullingar Pewter.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.